So, alright, we got a 1935 Ford SLANTBACK. Never seen this one here before. I don't know what a SLANTBACK is, I guess. Well, it's got true wire wheels on it. Those are not wheel covers, they're true wire wheels. You see the three stripes, it's almost like a reminiscent of scallops in a way. You see the Greyhound on it. Greyhound is about the fastest animal going. The cheetah is faster in a short run, but Greyhound got the distance and the speed. That thing will haul a butt. That's why it's a good symbol for having up on the top of their hood there. Got the horn up there. Two horns. Take a look at the inside. The inside looks like it's been updated with modern stuff. Get around the other side here. The door is open. See the pleated door panel. Modern column. Locking column, modern seats, so it probably has a modern carriage. Fuel filler cap down there, that's unique, that's cool, that's a cool design feature. I've never seen this one. I mean, sometimes you look at them, you see, yeah, it's a 30-something Ford, it's a 35. And I don't know why it's, well, I guess it's because the back goes like that. And that's a SLANTBACK. That's what I guess they call it, a SLANTBACK. Never heard that term before, so. I mean, I know certain things about cars that, especially from the 60s, but not so much from this era. Automatic. You see the pleated interior. This is a beautiful job, man. I love that buttons on there. It's old style. Nice gauge package. Looking good. Looking good. You got the red dice up there. Back a little bit here. There she is. One sweet ride. You see the ladybugs crawling in the front there. That's Florida for you, man. Drive this down the road, you get splattered. I've been getting splattered on the way over here.